As we move to the back side of the cosine law, we're going to look at some simple applications of how we can use this rule to solve some problems. Okay, so the first example, and the picture's there for you, so you'll see if you can solve it. Check back in, see if you got the right answer. We want to find a belt that's going around these three pulleys. To figure out the total belt, I kind of need to know how much this is over here, right? So if that's my unknown, that's a side, it's a small letter across from the big letter. It's our first equation, so x squared equals 14.5 squared, so b squared plus c squared minus 2 times b times c times the cos of our angle, in this case, 35. And we can put that all in our calculator the way it looks. It comes out to 86.16. Remember, that's x squared, so to get x, we're going to need to square root that number, and we'll get 9.28. The question doesn't ask how long is the missing piece, it asks how long is the belt, right? So the belt's made up of the three pieces. The two that we know, the 14.5, the 16, and the 9.28 we just solved for. And we'll get a total length of 39.78. Okay, and it's a word problem, so give a therefore. The belt is 39.78 centimeters, I believe, long. Okay, there's a simple application, nice and quick. Okay, the last one, again, they give you a picture, so see if you can solve it, so you can interpret what's going on here. Check back in. We've got Cheryl trying to hit a golf ball between these trees, so she has a bit of an angle she can hit between, right? She estimates the distances as shown. Within what angle must she make her shot? Well, if she has to aim between these two things, the angle that matters would be the one down here. Okay, that's the thing I'm missing. That's got to be my big A. This has to be my small a. Okay, B and C are interchangeable. And this is the second rule we talked about. So cos A equals B squared plus C squared minus A squared all over 2 B's and C. Again, because we have a fraction this time, we're going to do each part separately. Figure out the top number, figure out the bottom number. Top number you should get 2050. Bottom number you should get 2450. I want to find my angle, so I'm using an inverse, which means I need to take the inverse of whatever 2050 divided by 2450 is, and let your calculator do that work. You just put the brackets and the dividing sign in, and you should get 33.2. Okay. So Cheryl must aim within an angle of 33.2 degrees. And that takes us into the cosine law. Real short lesson today, so make sure you try the homework and give the quiz a try.